Right, gents, so this Bonfire Night, what's everyone up to? Thought oh, there's another biker down there, should have caught him up, but yeah, no fireworks have started yet, still pretty early, but there's a place near my work where they're going to be doing fireworks, so I might head down there and just check it out for a bit. Get some cool footage for you guys. So yeah, see how it goes. If I'm honest, it's looking pretty dead so far. Where is everyone, man? Where's the fireworks? I'm sure I'll lighten up in a bit. Is that grit? Oh, we're having a race. Who's gonna win? Smoked her. Ain't got a chance against a 125. Lost my watch here the other day. Coming to work, and I was coming down this exact road. I'm not sure if it was a stretch or what, but I was coming down, and I'm gonna go to the smooth lane. And then I'm riding, and I look, and then my wrist felt a bit weird, so I looked down at my wrist, and then my watch is half hanging off. And then as soon as I try and grab it or something, it just fell right in the middle. And then I probably got crushed by a couple of trucks or something, but I've always been trying to look out for it since. So if you live in Manchester and you see a white plastic watch anywhere, then on this road it's probably mine. So yeah, we've arrived, but I can't actually park where I wanted to park because the gates are shut, so we're just kind of parked here. Hopefully won't get told off, and everyone seems to be going that way, so from here on we're on foot. Right, there's a lot of people over there, so something must be happening. I'm just gonna go see why everyone's standing over there, and probably because they're about to do the fireworks. So I might switch to my phone camera, by the way, because you might be able to see a bit better, because this is pretty far up, pretty wide angle, so it might be pretty far away. So yeah, looking a bit more lively now. Quite a lot of people here. Oh, I want to get one of those sparklers, but we're still waiting on the fireworks. Hopefully pretty soon. I think it's about to start. Some flashing light going on over there. Come on. Oh, can see something over there. Actually, there's quite a few. Anyway, I'll just shut up and let you enjoy the fireworks then. So yeah, that was a pretty good display. Now I need to find out how the hell I'm gonna get out of here. Well, actually I'm alright, but there's about 1,000 cars trying to get through the same spot. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I need to try and someone will give me a gap, surely. Take it nice and slow. Hope no one opens the door randomly, and we should be alright. Right, you know what? I'm just gonna have to go. Yes. And we're away. Anyway, yeah, it was a pretty good night. Good fireworks. If I could give any advice, I'd say don't come in a car, because you're not going to get out for about an hour or two. But anyway, that's it for today, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.